Hey folks, I'm going to compare a CPA Site Solutions website, one of their best, to one of my good but kind of mid-level websites by Feedbackwrench. I own and run Feedbackwrench. We do websites, ads, search engine optimization for accounting firms, bookkeeping firms, CPA firms, and then construction businesses. We do a ton of it. We got a little team of 6 of us, going on 7 now, and we pride ourselves in building websites that are amazing salespeople and prospecting people. Like, your website will attract and close high retainer business clients. We know how to do writing and design, and I just want to show off our work. So we know how to do writing and design that I think is quite a bit better. So if you go to CPA Site Solutions, I'm going to do a comparison. It's going to be Alerting, I think I spelled this wrong, Alerting CPA versus one of our websites. Now, when you go to CPA Site Solutions and you go here and you check out their live CPA websites, they have Alerting CPA, which from what I can tell is probably one of their only really good custom websites. Everything else are kind of these basic templates, these templates that they have filled with what's called duplicate content. Everything's the same unless somebody goes in and fills it out, and that duplicate content doesn't help you with Google. It doesn't help you with messaging. Your messaging is really milquetoast in these situations. CPA Site Solutions is pretty basic, but let's compare. I just want to actually show off our work. So I think Alerting CPA is probably one of their best sites, and I'm going to compare it to one of our kind of small setups with Wig CPA, and I'm going to give you some perspective here about why I think Darian Wiggs in Chicago is set up to succeed far more than what I can tell is the best I think that CPA Site Solutions can do. Go look at our websites. If you go to feedbackwrench.com, you come up here, go to our work. Once you navigate around through our work, go to our websites. You can see our video and everything. And just take a look at all of the sites that we have. Take a look at what we've done. Now, there's some themes in here. Our sites are starting to look kind of similar, but it's because it works. And our messaging is key to cause a business owner to see that you're credible, to understand how you'll help them. It's benefits-based, and there's a whole bunch to go in there. But let's compare a little bit. So first off, I want to provide some things. So here's Alerting, which again, I think it's their #1 site that they hold up. And then I'm going to show you Wig's CPA Tax and Accounting. So first off, remember that what we're trying to do is we're trying to rank in Google. We're trying to move a business owner to see that you're highly capable, you're credible. We want to talk their language because business owners are a little bit more cynical. But you know, when I look here, I think I like the colors of Alerting. I think this looks really good. Invested in your success, making your business our business, making your business our business. We got a nice stock video, good looking people. I like this gradient from light to top. I think their blue looks nice. Now this is their homepage. I think you'll see pretty quick when you jump onto like their story, you're going to see that. When you go onto their services, you know, one of the most important things would be like business, small business accounting. Okay, that's a lot of text. And then you get in here and you're like, hey, let's look at, you know, maybe cash flow, mergers and acquisitions. Okay, so what you're going to find here is it's lots and lots of simple template-based stuff. If you get into the industries, let's say you're going to go after nonprofits. Nonprofits are a big deal. And okay, so you have an image, a title, and okay, and here it is. I'm going to just throw this over here. We're going to take one of those pages. We're going to find if there's duplicate content on that page. It may be that it's not duplicate content. What I found is that you can go in and customize and take out the template-based stuff and put in your own stuff. And even here, I think I can see that there's no internal duplicate content. So it looks like they've actually gone in and put their own information in there, which is cool. 95% of the CPA Site Solutions out there do not do that. In my opinion, again, don't sue me, but we love your business. I'd love to convert your CPA Site Solutions website over to a Feedbackwrench. But yeah, let's keep going here. So they're in Indiana. I think their homepage is beautiful. I think they have a gorgeous wide open. I think that this is definitely not bad. You have so our industries and our services. Okay, these images are strong, good color. It's responsive. It's working well. Alerting specializes in maximizing your business and personal goals. Alerting CPA Group offers our clients a full spectrum of services, providing expertise that is specific to your goals. This broad range of experience allows us to support you during the startup phase of your business through its entire life cycle and even into succession planning. Okay. You have nonprofit, small business. So again, when we go off here, you have a vision, we have the, okay, we won't get into all of this messaging, but there's a picture of Indianapolis, their logo. I am delighted with the quality of service I get from Alerting. Okay. Client industries. So they are focusing on some industries here. Let's say I'm a retail person. Okay. If I had a retail, is this going to move me to want to, if I had a retail business? Consumer retail companies are under pressure to reduce costs and increase sales, not to mention dealing with any market disruption. Alerting CPA can relieve some of your burden. We offer QuickBooks record keeping, consulting, and training. We can perform all of your accounting needs from data entry to financial reporting to help you. Okay, so it's not bad. Going back to the homepage here, it is what it is. Again, this is what I can tell is their best website they have. The rest of these, I'm taking on the biggest right away, and I'm showing you kind of our good solid site, but it's not our biggest site. So you got that. Now, I think this is really cool. You got pictures of their partners. Man, these look like great people. I bet they do amazing work. So yeah, that works. Get a little slider here. Leadership with hands-on experience. Alerting CPA Group realizes the importance of having qualified professionals assigned to every engagement in order to provide the most comprehensive service, knowledge, and value to our clients. Our team has extensive experience, not only in all levels of financial reporting, but also in filling leadership roles on the financial and governing bodies of many high-profile organizations. Okay, and you subscribe. Okay, so we can get in here. Seller paid points. Can homeowners deduct them? So you get into these blog posts that they have. Are these blog posts ones that are written for alerting? If I just look at, it doesn't look like. I think if I come here, now we've pushed off to a WordPress site. If you notice here, you go up and look. We're on a little bit different site, which is why that took a minute. And then let's just check this. We'll come back to it. All right. So overall, here's what I like. I think it looks nice. I think it has decent messaging. It's not like it's rocket science here in an accounting firm. However, it's really talking about the accounting firm. So making your business, our business, invested in your success. That's good sentiment. If this is really, you're trying to get into our industries or service, and this is good messaging. When you face business challenges, the perspective of someone who knows your business and industry is invaluable. Alerting's experience in a broad range of industries has made it so it's about us again, and that they have experience. So their main value is experience. Okay. As your CPA advisor, we will work diligently to help you overcome business challenges. Business owners, they're like, you know what? I just really want someone to overcome my business challenges. That resonates with me. I don't know, maybe. And complexity, seize opportunities, and grow your business. Okay. I like this. I think it's good. Again, Alerting CPA Group realizes the importance. So this is about them. You realize the importance of having qualified professionals assigned to every level, and you do some cool stuff. Okay. All right. So that's not bad. We'll jump onto their Facebook here and take a look at what's going on. Not bad. Facebook, Instagram, a lot of people have questions about this. Just enough to participate, guys, because what you're going to find here is not a lot of engagement. Not a lot. So Thanksgiving to you and your family. It's a little bit older, but these are the posts you get with CPA Site Solutions, I'm fairly certain. Let's go look at this. So back to their blog posts. And their blog post, when put into Copyscape, comes up with, let's go find all the other people that have the identical blog posts. And I think what you're going to find is a whole bunch of your more typical looking CPA Site Solutions websites. So this top part is not it, but okay. So there's a CPA Site Solution website. And as you keep going, it'll take a little bit of time here, but folks, I think what you're going to find is that your blog, which can be an opportunity to genuinely rank for excellent keywords like top 10 CPAs in Indianapolis for small business. You should write a blog for that. You should write to industry niches, location niches, answer great questions. Get your blog to actually spring into action. You can do things kind of like what I'm doing here. You can jump into your competitors, do reviews of Merit Bookkeeping or whatever it is. And as you look through, you're going to find that there's a lot of duplicate content here. These are all other websites that have the exact same. And here's your CPA Site Solutions websites. They're usually fairly sloppy, or they're just boring. Anyways, I'm totally jaded, but let's dive in. Okay. So again, this is their featured CPA Site Solutions website. Now, here's their Google reviews or their Google thing. So this is this website, this company, Alerting, obviously has enough going on that they have a significant staff. I mean, it looks like they've got over 10 staff people here. And the one thing that I'm really concerned about is they don't have any Google reviews. Maybe they have it somewhere else. I tried doing some homework to figure this out. It does not look like they have any Google reviews. And as you look through here, Indianapolis, Indiana, CPA, Alerting. Okay, so that's not bad. This will probably show up. I bet they're getting some organic reach, but wonder what would happen as you start to search, CPA in Indianapolis. How does this look on the Google map? When you don't have any Google reviews, folks, it's not good. Doesn't help at all. In fact, as you look through here, I think you'd be pressed hard to find Alerting, which is too bad because I think they're probably a really good firm that does fantastic work. I can only assume. On the other end, I want to show you our website and our marketing. So a couple of things. When you talk with me and you work with Feedbackwrench for your websites, your marketing, your search engine optimization, I'm going to point you in the right direction to make sure you do what is most necessary to dominate and fill your sales funnel. I put myself in your shoes to make sure you're great. On top of that, we're going to build you nice websites. So again, this is Darian Wiggs. He's out of Chicago, young guy, just started. If you were to go in and take a look at Darian Wiggs CPA, let's see what Wiggs CPA. Oh, he has 63 reviews. Wow, now I'm in on this. 63 reviews. Darian started like a year ago, and he's been doing what I've been telling him to do. Now let's take a look at this. We go to his website. Small business taxes, bookkeeping, and accounting. That's fairly boring. Wig CPA Tax and Accounting, Chicagoland. Business tax. Okay, I know what it is. Oh, there's a smiling face. Take a look at this. We got 63 Google reviews right off the bat, shown off of all of the people that he's helped. This makes him be absolutely credible. I can book a consultation, book a consultation, book a consultation. I think they had good calls to action here. Schedule a consultation. That's good. I may be a little button happy on some of my sites, but now get top tier financial records and mitigated taxes. So that is in comparison to their core, maximizing your business and personal goals. So I call this the one-liner. Get your taxes done right, your books done to perfection, and ensure you never overpay in taxes with outsourced accounting services from Wig CPA Tax and Accounting. Aggressive tax reduction planning, subcontract your bookkeeping and payroll, year-end taxes done to perfection. Oh, I can get to know him here. Let's see what it's like.
Are you tired of paying 25% of your income to taxes? I've been there, and I know exactly how it feels to watch a huge chunk of your paycheck go directly to the government.
Go watch his video. It's just a good, simple video. Is it getting tons and tons of views? Probably not. But people make a connection with these folks now. And he's just a starter. So we scroll down. Don't settle for a typical accountant. Keep your team focused on production. We'll be your outsourced finance department while also helping you do everything possible to reduce your taxes. Build top-tier financial records. Aggressively mitigate taxes. Subcontract accounting and finance. Get proactive, excellent customer service. Your business deserves better. Okay. Pricing and approach. Okay. Again, lots of visuals. Simple, affordable, and comprehensive. We know what it takes to help businesses scale and become more profitable. We can help your business with simple services like business tax preparation, bookkeeping, and payroll, or we can serve as your fully subcontracted finance and accounting team. And you get into each subservice. Take a look at that. Your business deserves a relentless business CPA. We don't just file your taxes and do your bookkeeping. We work alongside your business to help you scale, reduce taxes, grow your capabilities, and make business easier. Are you overpaying in taxes? Now look, we got Chicago, nice vision. Are you overpaying in taxes? We'll work throughout the year to make sure you're doing everything possible to reduce your taxes and take advantage of every loophole and strategy available. Don't waste time with amateur accounting and bookkeeping. With your own doing your own books or having an amateur usually creates more problems than it solves. We'll promptly do your bookkeeping each month to perfection. Avoid hiring unnecessary staff. Subcontract your accounting, payroll, and bookkeeping to Wig CPA, and you won't have to hire a part-time in-house staff person. Owners and executive team reports and KPI tracking. We help your business move to the next level by serving as your outsourced fractional CFO. Chicago's top business tax accountant. All right, we got some Chicago talk there. Something empty here. One blog, okay. And schedule a consultation. So if I hit schedule a consultation, we're out there. Now pricing and approach. We'll tackle the tax and accounting. Proactive and aggressive tax reduction planning. Improve efficiency and focus by outsourcing. Avoid IRS problems and stay compliant. What's all included in our outsourced accounting service? We've built one service that can scale to small or large businesses. Here's what's all included. Clean up your books and establish perfect financials. Create a tax reduction plan and implement everything. Monthly bookkeeping and tax planning. Pay in taxes and avoid surprises. Monthly and quarterly reports. Quarter 4 tax planning. Year-end reports. Business and personal tax returns. CFO level guidance. Build tax efficient and multi-generational wealth. Then you got a simple pricing structure here, which is a tool for him. So as you look through here, what you're going to see is it's just a little bit different. If we go to the services now, we can go to all services. We've got a visual. We've got his reviews. We've got accounting services that deliver excellent outcomes. And we can take a look at each of his services. So if we go to bookkeeping, just a simple, clean, top-tier financials, promptly completed every month, personable and friendly service. Chicago Bookkeeping Company. Don't settle for disjointed bookkeeping and tax planning. We've got visuals. We're talking benefits. Get your books done to perfection. We promptly reconcile books each month. We're back into the tax. So, all right, we're in the services. So again, I think the biggest difference that we're trying to do is we're trying to be visual. We're trying to make it look better. We're trying to talk benefits. You'll notice how ultimately Darian's going to dominate because Darian has 63 Google reviews. We don't even have a Google ad for him, but we know for certain that as we do this, we're going to be able to get him to get significantly more clicks. We're showing off his real live Google reviews right here, right now. We can load them all if we want to. This is just some plugins that we have. You tell me, folks. So that, I think, is probably one of the best. As he writes blogs, again, Darian just started. He's really not even... been in his second year. He's kicking butt. Absolutely doing well. If you go to his about here, I mean, take a look at this. Excellence for business and their families. Pursuing your best interests. Trustworthy, caring, competent. You get a feel for who Darian is. And I think alerting's not bad. Again, let's just compare the our story versus theirs. Let's get to our story. So here's our story versus the about page. I can see it's not overly complex, but that's a comparison. We're going to do a lot more because this is just one, and we have tons more where that came from. If you like the idea of getting set up, not only with a great website, but now we get into Google ads, we get into retargeting ads, we get into search engine optimization, and then how to actually sell outsourced accounting services rather than your traditional CPA tax and accounting services. We know how to do this. Give us a call. We can convert you from a CPA Site Solutions website. We can set you up properly. We'd love to earn your business. Good luck and God bless.